Racing just started with top. Not sure. Break quickly to start. Moving up on the outside now is Spratly Island. Running by the rail comes Archer Queen. Master Maker getting the wide strip as they make their first turn. The next online is Kiss. Bang Bang, while Artistic Star is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Top Notcher on its favorite position as the penny setter. Moving up now on the outside is Spratly Island. Archer Queen is racing into the Master Maker is down in port. Then comes Kiss Bang Bang, and a long way back to Artistic Star, who's racing in less. And on the fourth turn, we have Top Notcher by about 3/4 of a length lead. Is Spratly Island is still in second. Archer Queen, Master Maker now moving up down on the inside. Kiss Bang Bang and Artistic Star, and they are now entering the home stretch. Top Notcher moving up now on the outside is Spratly Island. Running by the rail is Master Maker. Kiss Bang Bang is on the outside. Top Notcher, Kiss Bang Bang is on the outside. And finally it's Kiss Bang Bang. Top Notcher. Then comes Spratly Island, Master Maker, Archer Queen, and Artistic Star.
For our race number 9, your unofficial winner, entry number 4, that is Kiss Bang Bang, skippered by AP Navarrosa. Mas segundo, numero 5, Top Notcher, at yung numero 3 na si Spratly Island. Papasok naman para sa inyong quartet, numero 6, Master Maker.